The basic structure of the Indian Constitution is one of the most powerful doctrines created by the Supreme Court. It protects the core values of our democracy. Even though Parliament has the power to amend the Constitution under Article 368, this power is not unlimited. It cannot destroy the essential features or the soul of the Constitution. That soul is what we call the basic structure. This concept was established in the historic Kesavananda Bharati Case in 1973. A 13-judge constitutional bench, the largest ever, was formed. The verdict was passed with a narrow 7-6 majority. The court ruled that Parliament can amend any part of the Constitution, but cannot alter or destroy its basic structure. This judgment is considered the savior of India's democracy. Now the question is, what exactly comes under basic structure? Interestingly, the Constitution does not define it. The Supreme Court also never gave a final list. But over the years, through various judgments, some key features have been included under basic structure. Let's take a look. These features include supremacy of the Constitution, rule of law, separation of powers, judicial review, federalism, secularism, parliamentary system, free and fair elections, unity and integrity of the nation, independence of the judiciary, and harmony between fundamental rights and directive principles. Let's now look at landmark cases that expanded the scope of the basic structure. In the Indira Gandhi vs. Raj Narain case, the Supreme Court held that free and fair elections are part of basic structure. In the Minerva Mills case, the court said, the balance between fundamental rights and directive principles is basic. In the S.R. Bommai case, secularism was added to the doctrine. Why is this doctrine so important for UPSC? In prelims, questions are asked on Article 368, Kesavananda case, and key features. In mains, especially in GS Paper 2, this doctrine helps enrich your answers. You can link it with questions on constitutional amendments, separation of powers, and even current affairs like electoral reforms and judicial independence. Always remember, Parliament is powerful, but not supreme. The Constitution, and its basic structure, stand above all. It ensures that no ruling party, no government, can destroy the foundation of our democracy. That is the real strength of the Indian Constitution.